I want to thank you for tuning into my channel, and if you haven't already subscribed, you might want to go ahead and hit that, because then you'll be notified for some great recipes and education along the way. Today we are going to be making my detoxifying cabbage salad. I don't know if you know the benefits of cabbage, but they are absolutely amazing. Detoxifying, anti-inflammatory, good for your heart, high in vitamin C. They have fiber. I made this recipe specifically for my 7-day reboot. I have an ebook out, and one of the things that is great about an ebook is that you can download it on your phone and easily get to it within seconds. I put mine on my Kindle. It's just easier for me to get to. And then you can take your phone with you to the grocery store, get all of the items. It has a grocery list ready for you, has a list of food swaps, even goes into some great supplementation to help you detox, to help you on your health journey. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to start with the dressing, and then we'll get into the salad. All of the recipes that are in this book you can easily interchange with different items just to make it more affordable. Maybe there's something that's already in your refrigerator, and that's what I have in the list of food swaps. So today, part of this is balsamic vinegar, but you don't have to use balsamic vinegar if you don't have it. You can easily swap it out for lemon juice. There's a couple other items that I have listed in there. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I happen to be using my favorite, which is palmetto olive oil. I am using the lemon, one of my favorites. Now we're going to use 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of Bragg liquid aminos. What I like about aminos is that it is processed in a much healthier way. When you get traditional soy sauce, it is high in sodium. It's hydrolyzed, which is it's denaturing it actually. And so this is a good option. Another one is the tamari. You can buy tamari organic. So we're going to do 1 tablespoon of the liquid aminos, and that adds a nice flavor component. We're also going to add, which I already chopped, my garlic, and you can use, again, you can use garlic powder if you would like. I like the fresh garlic. We do get more benefits from it fresh. You want to cut it up, let it air out for about 5 minutes, and then throw it in. Just make sure any of your friends that you're going to be around have had some too, and then nobody will know any different. Today I'm swapping out my peanut butter. So you can use peanut butter, you can use almond butter, whatever is best for you, and that is a 1/2 tablespoon. Just gives it some creaminess and a nice little nutty flavor. Okay, we're gonna give that a stir and just set it to the side, and we'll dress the salad when we are finished. It smells wonderful. So I'm gonna go ahead and put up my ingredients real quick and make room for everything else. So if you place a palmetto olive oil order, you can get these cute little samples, which is a great way to try. So maybe you already know what you want, but you want to try a couple of things. Great way to do it. So typically I would buy cabbage. I'm not at home. If you can tell, I'm not in my kitchen. Trader Joe's has organic, which has everything already in this bag. So if you need to save time, it's a great way to do it, and it's not that expensive. It has the purple cabbage, the green cabbage, and it already has the carrots in it. So dump and go. It's going to be about 1.5 cups once you get everything together, but this is for 2 people, and we're really hungry. So I'm going to put a little bit of extra in there. And all of these ingredients are put together very intentionally. So one of the great things about a 7-day reboot is, first of all, if you are new to clean eating, you don't really know where to start, great time to get the ebook, because it has it all planned out for you with the grocery list, really with some explanation on why we're doing what we're doing. It's a great way to start fueling up your metabolism. And maybe you're coming back from a vacation, you kind of done a little bit too much and you want to regroup. It's a great way to regroup, and it's also a great way to support your journey, even for well-seasoned people when you just need to start over. And now we're going to add in some ginger. So ginger is very anti-inflammatory. It's great for the gut. And what we're doing here is we are kind of fueling the prebiotics so that we can get some good, healthy gut bacteria. It's easier to prevent than to overcome, although both can be achieved. Gotta grab the last of that garlic. Another thing, cilantro. Oh my goodness, so I can't say enough good things about cilantro. I know some people just don't like it. So if you don't like it, leave it out. And you can replace it with parsley if you enjoy parsley. Parsley is very detoxifying as well. Has a little different component. So those who don't like cilantro many times do enjoy parsley. And in the recipe, it calls for a red pepper, but I'm using orange. You can use yellow, you can use green, whatever you like. And I'm using red onion, and instead of almonds, I'm using what I have, and today it is walnuts. Red onion, yum, and it's so colorful. That's one of the things I love about the salad, is how beautiful and eye-appealing it is. The other thing that I love about the 7-day reboot is that it is sustainable. It's something that you can use over and over again. Maybe you're just picking out certain recipes now and then. I always encourage people to do it for 2 weeks. Just make one dish for 2 days. That way you're not taking too much time in the kitchen, but you can eat them for 2 weeks and really is going to get you back in the game. And if you are on a weight loss journey, it really helps you to lean out, and it's good for so many reasons. So I want to just show you before I dress it how beautiful this salad is, and I cannot wait to dig into this thing. So we're going to go ahead and dress it, and I just want to let you know, because I don't talk about this much, but I am quadruple certified health coach, health and wellness. I actually have clients, which is why I started this channel, so that I can teach them how to live healthier and better lives. Optimal health is really what we're going for. We want to feel our best and feel energized and amazing. That's what this is all about, and that is my hope for you. Look at this salad. You can't help but just look at it and just feel good. It makes you, I don't know, makes me feel like it brightened up my day. And now I am ready to dig into this deliciousness. We're going to go ahead and dish this up. It's time for us to eat. I'm going to leave a link below for my ebook in the description. If you have any questions, reach out to me and let me know. You can leave a comment and we will be sure to get back with you. I want to thank you so much for tuning in. If you would please leave a comment, let me know what's going on in your life and how you're supporting your health. And you guys have a great day.